Hello and welcome to today's video blog. So today we're going to talk about how to deal with your frustration and your anger in a way that can lead to better and more productive conversations. So the very first step is that when we feel anger, when we feel the heat of the anger, the best thing to do is breathe. And actually, if we take deep in-breath and out-breath for about 5 seconds, a few breaths, then what we're doing is moving from the primitive part of our brain. So that's the amygdala, that's where all the appetites, the primitive stuff happens. That's where we feel the flush of the anger. We're moving from there to the cerebral cortex, so to the rational part of our brain. And a lot of people, if they act out from the heat of the anger, that's when it's all based in the amygdala still. So the breath gives you time to calm and move to the cerebral part. Secondly, is about understanding that it's all relative. So whatever your perspective is, they've got a perspective too. And likelihood is they think that they're right and you think that you're right, okay? Thirdly, the best thing to do is to try and understand your own values. So what is it about what's going on that has led to you feeling so uncomfortable? So you kind of understand with a perspective on what your position is. And then you do the same, this is the fourth step, for the other person. So you try and understand what made them act in the way they acted or why they're angry. And you understand what values are going on for them. And in so doing, you kind of step outside the situation and can get a picture of what is going on for both parties. So you've just got more perspective. When you have that perspective, the next thing to do is to be able to enter the situation or the conversation again, but this time from a place of more compassion and more objectivity. And what that does is takes the other person, they'll feel it, and also your words will express it, but it'll take them out of a position of defense or attack. And it starts to make a more level playing field so that you can actually have a conversation about what really happened. Good luck. It's a tough one, but we all can do it. Enjoy and see you next time.